Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the email template prompt in Odoo 19. Let's move on to the settings. From here, we can search for the email, and you can see that we have just got the email template under the section companies. So we can review all the templates over here. In Odoo 19, we have a new feature called the dynamic placeholder. So let's see how can we make use of the dynamic placeholder in the email template prompt. You can click on new button in order to create a new email template. So here you can provide the name of the email template. Let's say that this is a welcome message or welcome email. Once you have given the name of the email template, we just need to apply to which model this is applied. So I would like to apply this for lead, and afterwards we can set the subject. So let's provide the subject as welcome to Cybrosys. And once it's been set, we can provide the content. So to set the content here, you can see that we can just use the forward slash for providing the options. And you can also choose the three dots in order to get the format. So here you can see that we have different format like setting the headings with the heading 1, 2, 3 or with the text, quote and everything. And in Odoo 19, we have a feature called dynamic placeholder. So before moving on to the dynamic placeholder, let me insert the prompt that is an AI prompt. So let me choose that. So once it's been given over here, you can provide the dynamic placeholder. So let's say that I'm providing the dynamic placeholder as thank you for reaching Cybrosys technology, right? So we can provide the company over here. So I'll be using the forward slash and we can choose the dynamic placeholder. So here we can search for the company, that is the company name. So here you can see we can provide this. So once you provide the dynamic placeholder, you can see that the dynamic placeholder will be indicated with a gray text over here. Now you can see that thank you for reaching the company Cybrosys technology, and if you want to um, provide anything like any other dynamic placeholders over here, you can also provide that. So let's say glad to meet you, and now you can provide the customer name. So let's say the customer. Now, if you're not providing the field name over here, you can also provide some other description so that we can write if the field is empty. So let me insert that, and you can see the dynamic placeholders are just indicated with a gray color. So this is one of the new feature that you can find under Odoo 19, and if you want to find the preview of this email template, you can just move on to the preview, and this would give you the template preview, and you can find the test record like specification and prices of your fonts. And here, if you want to just set a particular language, you can set that. And here you can see the welcome message. That is the subject that we have given. And you can also see the content like, thank you for reaching out. It was pleasure to meet you. So as we have provided the AI prompt, it has just enhanced the text that we have provided over here. So this will be the email that will be sent to the customer once the customer is just turned into a lead. Okay. So let's close this. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.